Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, charge your Beats Flex for at least 10 minutes before starting pairing. This ensures enough battery for discovery and firmware checks. Next, unlock your Android and open settings to the Bluetooth section. Enable Bluetooth and keep the device visible for new connections. Now locate the power button on your Beats Flex and press it until the LED blinks. A blinking LED indicates pairing mode is active. Stay within 3 feet of your phone to prevent connection interruptions. Open Bluetooth settings on your Android and tap Scan or Refresh to find devices. Wait for your phone to list available devices and look for Beats Flex in the list. When you see Beats Flex, tap the device name to start pairing immediately. If Android prompts a pairing confirmation, tap Pair to accept the connection and grant permissions. After pairing, the Android will show connected for calls and audio. Test audio by playing a short track to confirm both left and right channels work. If pairing fails, reset your Beats Flex by holding power and volume down for 10 seconds. After the reset, recharge for 5 minutes and retry pairing from Android Bluetooth settings. If problems persist, restart your Android and check for system updates to refresh Bluetooth drivers. Move away from other Bluetooth devices and Wi-Fi routers to reduce interference during pairing. Finally, disable battery saver or Bluetooth scanning restrictions that can block discovery. Once connected, enable high-quality audio codec in developer options if your Android supports it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.